Happy Easter. Yeah. Well, these are, they're both tropical blend. They both are the same practically. This is mango, strawberries, and blueberries. But this one's mango, strawberries, and pineapple. So we just gonna put it up. Some apple juice right here. Thanks for the follow. That's right there. Yeah, we're gonna add some of this honey. I need to get another honey. I don't even know if I can get this out. I'm gonna need a spoon. Crystallize, I'll take the spoon and grab the honey and put it in the smoothie. I use apple juice. I do like OJ, or sometimes I'll use vitamin water, or real juice things like Welch's and shit. Mostly juice. Alright. Honey's in there. A little bit on Zoom. She's good for fiber. 4 tablespoons. There's a new 1, 2, 3, 4. In the trash. Right now, for the plates. Empty down. This one. Add 2 of these 4. Okay. And clip it. Back in the freezer. Extra fruit down. Add a little bit more.